Hello, Nicole here with Gorilla Safety. Today I'm going to show you how to add users in Gorilla Fleet Intelligence. This will cover fleet managers, administrators, drivers, and mechanics. Log in to Gorilla Safety's Fleet Manager portal and navigate to the Users tab. You can view all your current users here. User data like name, role, email, employee ID, and phone number are listed here, as well as any documents associated with this user. You can see the user's last login, whether they are currently active or inactive, and if they are using an ELD. To edit users, click the pencil and make any necessary changes. To deactivate a user, click the X. Fleet managers can still see users in the dashboard after being deactivated. However, the user will not be able to sign into the app. You can filter your users by role at the top of the page. Keep in mind that some users may have multiple roles. You can also search by username. To add a new user, click the Add User icon next to the search bar. Input the employee information and upload any documents associated with them. This allows you to input expiration dates as well. Fleet managers will get an alert for expiring documents 30 days prior as well as 15 days. When choosing roles, it's important to know what accessibility each user needs. Fleet managers can view and edit the web portal but cannot access the app. Administrators can view the web portal but can't make any changes. Drivers have access to the driver portal in the app. It's important to note that drivers cannot also be fleet managers and vice versa. Mechanics have access to the Mechanic app as well as the web portal for access to work orders. Drivers are more heavily regulated and require more documents to be uploaded. For drivers as well as mechanics, you have the option to set their employee ID and password as well as the vehicle they're using. You can leave this blank and only input their email at the top. Users will be sent an email to create their password and can assign their vehicles in the app. Under Vehicles, you can give drivers the ability to enable yard moves, non-DOT trips, personal conveyance, and any exemptions. If you want to filter users by departments, you can do that at the bottom. You must first set up specific departments in the Departments tab on the left menu. Once all the information is input, save and your new user is created. This concludes our tutorial of adding new users in Gorilla Safety. For further questions, please visit www.gorillasafety.com.